LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus X515JA laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Marie, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing an Asus X515JA laptop to a professional shop for LCD replacement and deep cleaning is a smart and responsible decision. The LCD panel on this model is slim and delicate, requiring careful handling and proper tools to replace without damaging internal components. A professional technician ensures the replacement is done correctly and often provides a warranty for added peace of mind. In addition, deep cleaning a laptop also helps prevent overheating, improves airflow, and can restore overall system performance. Entrusting these services to experts minimizes risk and ensures the longevity and reliability of the device. By choosing PTT IT Solutions, you're ensuring that your laptop is handled with care and precision. This dual service not only solves immediate problems, but also acts as preventive maintenance. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.